Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery with a 9 by 11 inch canvas. I'm pretty sure that's already been painted, and it may have had silicone, it may not have. I don't remember. It's from a long time ago. I didn't even bother putting a number on it. But I've been doing a lot of fast, silent black and whites, and I've been thinking about what I might want to do if I were to have a smaller canvas. By just stroking things, like so. And maybe even a little black. And I might go for some gold too. I was afraid that the white might smear, but I'm not feeling much like I'm sacrificing anything, to tell you the truth. I do have a flat skewer that I thought I would try mark making to see how I like it, and also draw through and I like that better than I liked it already before, so don't be shy. I still want to put some gold in there, although I really like that in that direction. Did I put that tool down? There it is. I just like moving paint. I like scraping through paint, honestly. I did a whole lot of that before I ever started pouring. It's just got a whole lot more interest to me. I've got a little piece of wood. Well, that didn't do much. That's not hurting my feelings any, and there's no reason that you can't just draw. And make a line. Although it's definitely fun to pull some marks out. I don't know if those are tendrils so much as they're thorns, but they're an interesting pattern. And I like using the flat end of the skewer to make dots. And I love stealing paint. And that's just so much more fun than it was, and I definitely could put some gold in there, but I think I'm done. That's just got a ton more interest for me than it did before. I could put a little bit of paint on my spatula blade too. Though I kind of think I don't need it. So I'm going to wipe it out. Just as soon bring back what I had. Because it wasn't too bad. It sort of worked out well there. Alright, so that's it for me, and check into the video for my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. I see I have some pink there, and I want it to go away. So I'm just going to wipe it out. And that's that. If you guys have questions, leave me your questions and comments, or use my email address, easpb, the word gallery, @gmail.com. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I would really appreciate your thumbs up. If you shop any of my links on my link tree, you help me out. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I should zoom in really close because there are some really cool details in here. There's just a lot going on now. And it's more interesting than what was going on before that was a lot. Thank you for your wonderful comments to keep my morale boosted. I will see you guys anon. Remember, if you have questions for me, just feel free to ask. And I have over 2,400 videos. And you can find them by going to my channel and playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, or just ask me. And if you like black and whites, there's probably a black and white playlist. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.